Once upon a time, in an enchanted forest where animals speak in English, lived two cute frenimals, a rabbit and a turtle. Let us call the rabbit Ruby and the turtle Tara, both female. One sunny day, as Ruby was enjoying her fun day in the sun, she noticed Tara walking so gracefully slow in the forest floor. "Hello, friend Tara. How's your day today?" Ruby asked. "Oh, everything's fine. It's the same as yesterday," Tara answered. After a few minutes, Tara asked Ruby, "Anything interesting from your daily run?" "Oh, now that you ask, I remember I saw something that I'm sure you will like. I have seen trees laden with ripe fruits ready for picking 200 meters from here. How about if we will race towards that area, and whoever reaches first will have those trees for herself for a month," Ruby said. Tara got excited and muttered, "I love fruits. Let's race then." Ruby answered, "Since I can run faster, I will give you 4-day head start. I figured you can reach that area in 7 days." Tara was happy with Ruby's consideration. Tara started walking, or should I say, crawling toward the area mentioned by Ruby. Meanwhile, Ruby continued her fun time running after the cute butterflies and eating grass and leaves in between runs.